You would need 5 pieces the same length and 2 pieces for the center same length. You would need Gorilla Glue. Now I'm going to show you how to put the window together. I'm just going to show you, and then after I will glue it. These are 14 inches long, each of them, all 5 of them. And I just put them inside so that it'd be the same length. And then I put the center I'm going to and the 2 sides. So when you do the 2 sides, you want to measure. I'm not sure what the measurement of it, because sometimes it's different to compare like what size you have, because sometimes the wood is different. So you just measure the inside with the 2 little pieces. Now I'm just going to glue it because I didn't have no nails, but you can also use nails. If you use a screwdriver, it might, like a screw, it might break it. So if you do, maybe use nails, but I'm just using wood glue because that's what I had. So if y'all want to use wood glue and a nail, you can. That will make it more sturdier. So I'm just putting them at the ends and just gluing them. But also when you glue it, if you have a thing that can keep it tight, keep pressure, that will do good. And then you'll let it dry for like, 24 hours. But 30 minutes it'll stick really good. But now I'm trying to figure out where I want to glue my middle piece in. So after you let it set a while, I came back because I let it set for a while. That's what the lighting of it has changed. So I'm just going to glue the ends, and then I'm going to place it in now. Like I said, if you have something that can pull it tight, this will help it a lot. And I'm just gluing the middle ones in too. You glue the sides in like the other one, and then you just make sure they are like even, and then you'll just let it dry. If you have glue that comes out, just get a wet wipe and wipe it so it don't like dry there. So I'm just wiping that. This is what you need for the basket on the window. You would need this little holder from Hobby Lobby. And you would need these 2 pieces of wood from Dollar Tree. You need stain, hot glue, and wood glue to put it on to it. Now I'm going to glue the flower holder onto the window. Now I'm getting the pieces of wood from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to glue them on there flat so it'll keep it strong and it won't fall off. So right now I'm seeing where I need to glue it on there to see if I need to like change or anything. My mom was helping hold it because I needed to see where I needed to put it at. So I'm going to put them at the end and use wood glue and hot glue on there. I put it back on to make sure I'm doing it right. Always double check when you're doing it to make sure you do it right. But still, I messed up a little bit on it, but that's okay. Graphing's not perfect. Now I'm going to put the wood glue in the center and put hot glue on the outside of it, and then I'm going to glue it on there. It has a little lip on it, so you have to put it out to the second place right there on the thing. So that's what I'm doing. Just make sure I'm doing it right. Now do that for both of the pieces, and then we can glue it onto the window. Now I'm going to glue the window onto the flower holder. Now I need to see what area I need to put it. So I'm putting some glue right there so it would glue to the window too. And then I'm going to put wood glue and hot glue at the bottom of the wood pieces. I'm going to put the wood glue in the center and hot glue on the outside of it. And just make sure you're putting it in the right area because you need to make sure your window hits that area. And then you will push it down onto it and just make sure it's in the area you will want. Now you can stain it or paint it or decorate it any way you like. I'm going to be doing a live soon how to decorate this cute farmhouse window. So if you would like to watch live, please go to Coffee with Megan Luetta and Family on Facebook, and I will be going live. And I will let y'all know what day it will be. And please remember, Jesus loves you and we do too. And please sprinkle and follow and like my page. Bye!